What if there were surprises hiding away in chests, pretending to hold treasures when really they release monsters onto you? This video explains how to create these mimics to add them to your Minecraft worlds. So in order to make the mimic, you need to make the whole command block structure as a structure. But first you want to make the monster that's going to come out when they open the chest, so the mimic monster. For this I've decided to do a creeper, because it's quite a good one to pop out. So place in whatever monster you want it to be. If you want to name it, use a name tag and everything. And then you want to save it as mimic monster. Make it nice and easy to remember, and save that. The next step is building this structure here. So this is going to be just so that it will replace all the command blocks and everything will be nice and neat after the chest has been opened. So you want 3 blocks redstone, 3 command blocks, 4 blocks again, and then the trap chest on top. And then place a structure block at the end just so you can save this like this. So make sure you've got it all in the selection. We want it to be extra 1 along the Z, only 4 along, only 4 up, and only 1 that way. There we go, like this. It doesn't show the chest, but it is still saving there. So just name the structure, mimic, and save that one, like that. Okay, so as I said, this is a trap chest. I've not put anything in it, and I'm not going to open it because it will set the whole thing off. Below that you've got a piece of redstone which goes into a command block, which is impulse, unconditional, needs redstone. This first one sets the chest to air, so set block, tilde, tilde 2, tilde 1, air. So on this location but up 2, and then on this location but along 1. So it just selects this block here, so it'll work no matter where you paste it. The next one is a chain conditional always active. Structure load mimic monster, which is the monster you've just made, whatever monster you want. And then again, tildes to select this location here from here. And then the third and final command block, a really short one this, fills the whole bit down here with stone. So it's just fill on this location, all the way to on this location, and 3 along with stone. So here, all the way to here with stone. So just once the command block's been triggered, then it just covers this up, because it's just a bit neater for different survivals, although you'd probably only use this in an adventure survival. So to show you how this works, I'm going to spawn it in. Mimic. You may have to edit so -3 so it spawns in the ground like that, because it's all below the ground here. So if I have to break all this, you can see all the command blocks and redstone is down here. So you'd walk up to it, click it, and then it replaces it with creeper, which would normally blow up in someone's face, and it replaces this with all stone, just in case you do have this on some sort of world where they can break below it. That's all for that one. If you want to subscribe, press the button on the left, and if you want to watch a video on how to create spawner zombies, click the button on the right. Thanks for watching.